Welcome to Gaia Engineers and Contractors Private Limited or GEC, a company specializing in decorative, protective and specialty coatings since 1993. GEC is headquartered in Bangalore. We operate with a dedicated team of 26, managed by 3 directors, each of whom have spent over 30 years in the coatings industry. We have over 15 trained application teams. We have grown 4 times in the last 5 years. We operate pan-India and are registered in most of the major metros. Our clients include major multinationals like ITC and L&T, software giants like Infosys, Wipro, and Accenture, institutions like VIT, top interior firms like Nasi and premium builders like Embassy, Prestige, and Mantri. Our execution philosophy broadly covers 5 aspects: providing need-based solutions, through innovative products and solutions, which are environment-friendly and green, with safety as first priority and delivering on time every time. We work very closely with clients to understand their needs. We partner with the best companies from across the world to ensure we are a one-stop shop for all protective, decorative and specialty coating requirements of our clients. Our main focus is on innovation and most products we offer are water-based and environment-friendly. Our motto is safety first always. We ensure every team member is provided with approved PPE, safe tools and equipment and is trained frequently on safety. We strive to deliver on time every time, through our dedicated teams, continuous development through training and effective systems and processes, with the goal to be called a dependable organization by every client we work with. We have classified our business into 5 main verticals. GEC Pro Interno covers interior painting, our full range of designer finishes, art on wall, magnetic and writable walls, and seamless decorative flooring. GEC Pro Esterno covers exterior painting, exterior designer textures, stone textures and protective coatings for exterior walls. GEC Pro Pavimento covers industrial flooring, deck coating, sports coating, line marking and walkway systems. GEC Pro Specialita covers our range of waterborne anti-corrosive finishes, intumescent coatings, fire retardant and fire stop systems, thermal insulation products, solar reflective coatings and cast in situ lightweight foam concrete. GEC Pro Technico range covers our entire waterproofing range including membranes, coatings, grouts and sealants. It also covers expansion joint systems and concrete resurfacing and repair products. We would now like to introduce you to our partners for the Pro Interno range of interior finishes. MP Colorificio from Italy for designer finishes, natural lime textures and micro-cement and resin-based seamless floors. Conluto from Germany for their range of natural clay finishes. Frescolori from Germany for their vast range of natural lime-based textures and finishes, seamless floors and bathrooms. Crystal Inlay from Taiwan for their exclusive range of crystal inlay works. Milacore from Germany for their exciting range of magnetic writable walls and films. Eproxy Terrazzo seamless decorative functional floors from Flowcrete from UK, SRS from China and Dadagrade from Turkey. And finally our in-house artists for all your art on wall requirements. Some of the unique and exclusive products and finishes under the Interno range include Fresco Art from Frescolori, which involves transfer of your favorite images onto a wall surface. Frescoton from Frescolori, which is a Red Dot Design Award product, to replicate de-shuttered concrete look on any surface. Invisino from Frescolori for hidden home theater or flat speakers hidden behind lime textures. Magnetic writable walls from Milacore. Conlino range of exclusive and natural clay finishes from Conluto. MP Ferrum for replication of actual iron rust effect on a wall surface to look like rusted metal. Atmosfera from MP, to replicate effect of natural phenomena like the aurora borealis or the Arctic night sky or Nordic night sky on walls. Carama and Maranzo range of lime-based textures from Frescolori to create beautiful effects on countertops and tabletops. Maranzo and Puramenti range from Frescolori, to create seamless floors and bathrooms. These finishes are beautiful, futuristic and easy to maintain. Stenciling of logos or designs on floor, with Frescolori or MP seamless floor textures. Beautiful, Colorful and functional seamless epoxy terrazzo flooring systems from Flowcrete, SRS and Tardigrade, which last throughout the life of any building. And MP Creativo range of microcement and resin-based seamless floors and bathrooms. Our partners for the Pro Esterno range of exterior finishes include MP Colorificio from Italy for their natural lime-based mineral finishes for exteriors, RD Coatings from Belgium for their waterproof, elastomeric, anti-carbonation, long-life coatings, SKK from Japan for the wide range of stone textures and finishes, Crystal Inlay from Taiwan for their exclusive range of crystal inlay works for cladding or flooring in exteriors, natural cork-based finishes from eCork from Belgium and Spain, and decorative painting with differentiated products from leading paint companies in India like Dulux, Asian, and Berger Paints. Some of the exclusive products for exteriors include crystal inlay from Taiwan for seaters, facades, curbs, and pool decks. Spray cork from eCork, natural cork-based spray texture, for exterior walls and roofs with properties of waterproofing, insulation and aesthetics. Elastoflex and Thermoflex from RD Coatings, a protective coating for exterior walls for waterproofing, crack bridging, solar reflectance and anti-carbonation. Elegant stone Sagan and similar stone textures from SKK, to replicate sandstone, granite, limestone and other natural stones effect on walls. Granit Pierre, a unique and exclusive product from SKK, which are sheets with stone finishes fixed to external walls with a special glue. And natural lime-based mineral plasters from MP. We would now like to introduce you to our partners for the Pavimento range of flooring systems. Starting with Flowcrete, originally from UK and part of the RPM Group from USA, for their range of industrial flooring, food-grade coatings, car park deck coatings, and epoxy terrazzos. RD Coatings from Belgium for their range of waterborne systems for flooring, concrete and steel deck coatings and high-performance clear coats. Resdef from UK for their Deckmaster range of deck coatings for exposed decks. Apua for range of floor coatings from Sika Group. Tardigrade flooring systems from Turkey, for their range of roller-finished deck coatings. And Casali from Italy for the exciting range of sports coatings and systems. Some of the exclusive products and systems from the Pavimento range include Colortop from Casali Sports for sports courts, cycling paths, and walkways. Flowfresh from Flowcrete, a food-grade flooring system for food industries and kitchens. Hydrograph HP from RD Coatings, a high-performance waterborne polyurethane system in clear, for any surface, with excellent wear resistance. Deckmaster Membrane from Resdef, a polyurethane-based system blended with recycled rubber to provide a tough, elastomeric and water-resistant surface for exposed decks. Deck Shield System from Flowcrete, a polyurethane-based deck coating system for car park decks, helipads, and walkways. PC Range from Tardigrade, a single product system for deck coating which can be roller finished or granular with sand broadcast. We have covered the Interno range, Esterno range and Pavimento range of products and systems. Our partners for the Specialita range are Vader from France for their range of fire stop systems. RD Coatings from Belgium, for their exclusive waterborne anti-corrosive coatings and solar reflective coatings. Momentum from Turkey, for their sound and thermal insulation plaster. CC Technique from Lebanon, for their foam concrete equipment and foaming agent. And APOC from USA, for their solar reflective coating. Momentum F25 insulation plaster for interior walls, exterior walls, and roof slabs, cutting down interior temperatures by almost 5 to 6 degrees. Very lightweight and can be easily grooved for patterns. Monoguard from RD is a new generation waterborne anti-corrosive coating for harsh industrial and marine environments. Elastometal from RD is a waterborne, elastomeric, anti-corrosive coating and can be applied direct to rusty metal. Vidafusi and DEM Firestop rope and mattress are best-in-class firestop systems for expansion joints and openings. RD Thermoflex and APOC AP247 are solar reflective coatings ideal for use over thermal insulation plaster to reflect infrared waves and add to thermal insulation properties. Ursel from CC Technique is for generation of cast in situ lightweight foam concrete, ideal for filling areas like sunken slabs and providing slopes on terrace. It can be produced with densities ranging from 300 to 1000 kilograms per cubic meter. Foam concrete also provides thermal insulation to the slab. From the Specialita range we now move on to the Technico range of products. Our partners for the Technico range include Carlisle from USA, for their EPDM membranes and TPO membranes, and accessories for waterproofing. Fadra from Czech, and Inserap from Saudi Arabia for their PVC membranes, and accessories for waterproofing. Revestec from Spain for their exclusive range of EVAC, ethyl vinyl acetate copolymer-based membranes for waterproofing. Vedar from France, and Deflex from Germany, for their wide range of rubber, aluminium and composite profiles for expansion joints. Ankidex from Turkey, for their range of aluminium and composite profiles for expansion joints. APOC from USA for their incredible waterproof tapes and silicone-based elastomeric waterproof coatings. And Blue Shield from the RPM Group USA, for their spray-based polyurethane system for waterproofing. A few of the exclusive products and systems under the Technico range include SureWeld TPO from Carlisle, with required accessories for waterproofing of large slabs and tanks. TPO and EPDM can be left exposed and have a life of 15 years plus. Dry 120 and Dry 80 membranes from Revestec are EVAC membranes sandwiched between two layers of geotextile, easy to bond to any surface with tile adhesive. The membrane can be tiled over or coated with decorative or solar reflective coating. Ideal for use in swimming pools, terraces, and bathrooms. PVC membranes from Inserap and Fatra are ideal for waterproofing of large terrace slabs, balconies and tanks. A special non-skid decorative grade of PVC is available in Fatra range for balconies in terracotta, green and grey shades to resemble tiled surface. Expansion joint systems from Ankidex, Vedar, and Deflex, a wide range of systems to match different designs of expansion joints. Blue Shield PMB, from Pitchmastic is a spray-grade polyurethane which is extremely tough, elastomeric and ideal for large podium and roof slabs. Large areas can be completed in short span of time. APOC Incredible Tape is a nanotechnology-based self-adhesive waterproof tape, available in white, black and fabric topping. Excellent for composite joints. At GEC, we are committed to providing the best and most innovative products and solutions available in the market, to satisfy every requirement and needs of our esteemed clients, related to coatings. We are constantly exploring the market both in India and internationally to ensure we bring in differentiated and well-established brands into our portfolio of products. Our existing partners are spread all across the globe and we continuously interact with them, and provide them with required feedback, to ensure we are constantly improving on the quality of products on offer. We will continue to strive to build our portfolio, to ensure we are truly a one-stop shop for all your coating requirements. We sincerely hope you are satisfied with our range of products. We would be glad to support you with your requirements. If any of the products in the presentation excited you, please do the following. 1. Note down the slide number or product or system name. 2. Call us or email us with the details. 3. Request us for a brand catalog or presentation soft copy or hard copy to shortlist the product. 4. Pick your choice of product or system from the catalog or presentation. 5. Request us for a sample panel or mock-up at site for large orders. We will also submit the budgetary costing for your requirement. 6. Sign off on the approved panel or order confirmation, or release a formal purchase order, and we are all set to go. Thank you and look forward to your valued business.